The 2026 Dodge Demon pickup is one of those rare creations that feel like they shouldn't exist, yet you can't help but be thankful they do. Built as a high-performance truck with muscle car DNA, it takes the legendary power and presence of the Dodge Demon and merges it with the utility and bold stance of a pickup. It's a vehicle made for drivers who want unfiltered speed, raw aggression, and the practicality of a bed behind them. The result is an unapologetic performance machine that will make you rethink everything you thought you knew about pickups. The exterior design is where the first wave of excitement hits you. This isn't your average work truck or lifestyle hauler. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the front end demands attention with a wide, menacing grille framed by aggressive LED headlamps that seem to glare at you. Dodge has infused the truck with aerodynamic lines inspired by the original Demon Coupe, including a hood scoop that isn't just for show, it's fully functional, feeding massive amounts of air to the supercharged engine. The fenders are flared, giving it a muscular and intimidating stance, and the low-slung body sits on beefy performance tires wrapped around 20-inch lightweight alloy wheels. Even the tailgate has been given performance-oriented styling, with a subtle lip spoiler to help with stability at high speeds. Side steps are tucked neatly under the frame, emphasizing that while this is a pickup, it's built for performance first. The overall aesthetic screams track-ready aggression mixed with everyday capability. Performance is where the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup shatters expectations. Under the hood lies a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8, tuned beyond even what the standard Demon offered. This engine produces a staggering 950 horsepower and 945 pound-feet of torque, channeled through an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission with reinforced internals to handle the absurd levels of power. Dodge offers rear-wheel drive as standard for the purists who crave the thrill of controlling all that muscle with the rear tires, but an all-wheel drive variant is available for those who want maximum traction and insane launch control performance. From a standstill, the Demon pickup can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, which is mind-blowing for a truck of its size. The quarter mile comes in at around 10.7 seconds, putting it on par with some of the fastest sports cars in the world. The suspension has been specifically tuned for high-speed stability and cornering precision. Adaptive dampers allow the truck to adjust its stiffness depending on the driving mode, so you can have a comfortable ride for daily driving or a stiff, track-ready setup for maximum handling. Braking is equally impressive, with massive Brembo brakes featuring 6-piston calipers up front and 4-piston units in the rear, clamping onto large ventilated discs for fade-free stopping power. The steering is quick and responsive, giving you the kind of feedback that makes it easy to forget you're driving a pickup. The chassis has been stiffened with additional bracing, ensuring that the truck feels composed even during aggressive cornering. Dodge has also equipped it with launch control, line lock, and multiple performance modes to tailor the driving experience to your preference. Inside, the cabin balances performance-focused details with comfort and modern tech. You're greeted by deep bolstered sport seats upholstered in premium leather and Alcantara, complete with red contrast stitching and Demon logos embroidered into the headrests. The flat-bottom steering wheel features paddle shifters for manual gear control, and the gauge cluster is a digital display that can be configured to show performance data like boost pressure, G-forces, lap times, and even a drag strip timer. The center console houses a large infotainment screen running the latest Uconnect system, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, performance apps, and a premium sound system for those moments when you're not listening to the growl of the engine. Despite being a high-performance machine, the cabin is surprisingly practical, with rear seating in the crew cab configuration offering plenty of space and storage compartments throughout. One of the most unique aspects of this truck is that it still retains its full pickup bed functionality. The bed comes with a spray-in liner as standard, tie-down points, and an optional powered tonneau cover. Dodge offers a reinforced bed floor option for those who plan to haul heavier loads, although most Demon pickup owners will likely use it for lighter cargo or even to carry track day gear. The truck also boasts an impressive towing capacity, making it a rare breed that can tow your race car while being able to outrun it in a drag race. On the road, the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup is an event every time you start it. The exhaust note is deep, throaty, and aggressive, with pops and crackles on downshifts that make it feel alive. At low speeds, it's surprisingly manageable thanks to the well-tuned transmission and adaptive suspension, but press the throttle hard and it unleashes a ferocity that few vehicles can match. The supercharger whine, combined with the roar of the V8, creates an intoxicating soundtrack that will have you searching for excuses to drive. In corners, the wide stance and sticky tires provide impressive grip, and the electronic stability systems are tuned to allow a degree of slip for enthusiastic driving without completely removing the safety net. Fuel economy is understandably not the focus here, but Dodge has included cylinder deactivation and other efficiency technologies to at least make it somewhat livable for daily use. You can expect figures in the low teens for city driving and slightly better on the highway, depending on how heavy your right foot is. But let's be honest, no one buys a Demon pickup for its fuel efficiency. It's all about the performance and the experience. Pricing for the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup reflects its uniqueness and performance pedigree. The base model, with rear-wheel drive and the standard performance package, starts at around $92,000. Stepping up to the all-wheel drive variant with the fully loaded performance pack pushes the price to about $108,000. Optional extras like carbon fiber trim, upgraded interior materials, and advanced driver assistance features can bring the total closer to $120,000. While that may sound steep, it's important to remember that this is essentially a supercar disguised as a pickup truck, capable of delivering thrills that rival vehicles costing much more. The appeal of the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup lies in its ability to merge worlds that don't usually intersect. It's as comfortable towing a trailer or hauling gear as it is dominating a drag strip. It can cruise through the city in relative comfort, then transform into a fire-breathing monster with a stomp of the accelerator. It's rare, it's loud, and it's unapologetically excessive, qualities that have made the Demon name legendary among enthusiasts. For those who have always dreamed of owning a pickup that feels like it was designed by a muscle car engineer on a mission to defy convention, this is the ultimate answer. The 2026 Dodge Demon pickup isn't trying to be sensible or fit into a particular category. It's about emotion, performance, and making a statement every time you hit the road. From its aggressive styling to its blistering acceleration and surprisingly usable practicality, it's a machine built for people who believe driving should be an experience, not just a necessity. In an automotive world increasingly dominated by electric powertrains and restrained styling, the Demon pickup stands out as a rebellious roar from the past, built with the technology of the present, and destined to be remembered as one of the most outrageous trucks ever made.